video is not sponsored by Amazon, but Amazon, if you ever want to sponsor your girl, just call me, beat me, if you want to reach me, period.
What it is? Oh, what's up? What's up? What it is? Oh, what's up? You clicked on the link so I don't have to say live, laugh, love. Haven't you heard? It's vlogs with Jaybird. Ay, live, love, laugh. Haven't you heard? It's vlogs with Jaybird. Jaybird. Hey.
Live, laugh, love, haven't you heard? Jaybird back with another video. Hey, Jaybird, it's what it is. What's up? What's up? You clicked on links, so I didn't have to say too much, and that's on. Period. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post another video. Now, if you're a returning Jaybird, thank you for staying loyal to the family. I know I've been absent, but I just posted a video on how to organize your desk area, and if you haven't checked that out, go check that out now. So with this video, I've had these items from February until now, and I've kind of been all over the place. So don't think I just purchased all these items in a month, and because of that, I'll be able to give an honest review and the pros and cons of each item, but an item might not be available anymore. So to avoid this situation, I'm going to provide a link to an item that is very similar to an item that I've already purchased. Leave below in the comments what your Amazon favorite is and what is your favorite out of this video, and there will be timestamps listed below for all the items that I list in the video as well, creating chapters. So if you want to skip through and find a certain section that will not hurt my feelings, please feel free to do so. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. All of my social, like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, will be listed below. And without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So if you are a natural hair girl like me, definitely I just want to go ahead and put this out here. I have a lot of products, but I'm just going to show you the ones that I favor from Amazon. So I ordered the Care for Kids Cantu nourishing conditioner and the shampoo as well. I also bought off of Amazon the Care for Kids leave-in conditioner, and I also bought off of Amazon the detangling pre-shampoo treatment. You can find this on Amazon or in your local hair store, but me personally, as a natural hair person, I've been looking for products for a very, very long time, and the kids products for some reason work the best in my hair. I mean, I don't know how to explain it, but my hair just looks a lot better. It does have like a little scent to it, nothing really major, but it does smell good. And my favorite is the detangling pre-shampoo, especially after you have like a wig on or braids, some type of like hair added to your hair. You definitely want to do a detangling pre-shampoo treatment. Or if you have very thick hair, this is just really good to get in before you do a wash. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is all of my skincare products from Amazon. I am going to give you my honest review. So this is a portable micro dermabrasion kit. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but basically it extracts like pimples and blackheads from your skin. I love this product. It has a setting where you can change it from oily, neutral, and dry, like after a face wash. When you open it, let's see if I can try to open it. Alrighty guys, so for this portion of the video, I am going to be doing a voiceover because, ooh child, it was hard to open that box with one hand and holding the camera at the same time. But this tool is from Woeful. I'm not sure if I'm actually correctly pronouncing it, but you guys can look it up on Amazon and the link is listed below. Now this tool is very easy to use. It comes with very easy instructions. It is USB charged, so you don't have to put any batteries in it, which is great. I love facial tools that don't require batteries. Also, this is waterproof and it has 3 settings. You can use it on your wet skin, you can use it on your oily skin, and you can use it on your dry skin. I'm obsessed with this tool because it gets rid of all those dark heads, white heads, black heads, and the bumps that just, you know, form underneath your skin. It's very easy to turn on. You'll know that it's charged by the light turning blue. It comes with the old school microabrasion tools, and this is what it sounds like. I think that is great because it's not too loud. It's very subtle. And if you have a roommate and you're just deciding to do a facial at 1 a.m. like I do, or early in the morning for some reason, no one's going to know that you're using this. And I think that's a really great aspect to this as well. And it's easy to store in this box. I've been storing it underneath my sink, or you can put it on top of your counter as well. The next facial tool that I've been using is this nice facial cleansing brush. It has 3 brush heads. It has a silver marble one, it has a silicone one, it has a soft brush, and then it has an exfoliant head as well. So it comes with multiple different brush heads. It's USB chargeable, but it doesn't come with a charging port, so you do have to use your own or purchased one. But I just love the fact that it comes with a stand and you don't have to input batteries into it. I believe it takes up to 2 to 3 hours to charge, but it has a very long battery life, guys. It's very easy to turn on. The instructions are very easy to follow. The instructions tell you what each brush head actually does for your skin, how to exfoliate the skin, and it also tells you how to turn on the device. The device only has 1 button and it has 3 speeds. So if you hit the button, it will move faster, the first being the slowest and the third being the fastest speed that the brush can go. This brush is also very lightweight. I mean, it feels like you're just holding a feather, to be honest, but it's very powerful. The speed, as you can see, the more I hit the button, the faster it gets. And then the last time I would hit the button, the device will turn off. The blue light shows up to let you know that the battery life is still there. And it's easier to store. I have been storing it underneath my sink, or you can store it on top if you want, or if you have a vanity, because it's white, it will probably look really, really pretty on somebody's vanity if you have a white vanity from IKEA or whatever. The next thing I want to show you guys from Amazon is this water filter. It has a button on top that actually turns green. You can easily lift up the top, and this will just let you know whether or not it's actually filtered, and you can continue to replace the different filters. I have the basic one, but I know they also have an advanced filter that comes with this. It comes in multiple colors. I just got it in this color to match the rest of my skincare tools and products. The next thing I do is I pour the filtered water into this little cup that comes with my facial steamer by the company called Pure. Now, this facial steamer does have a little compartment in the back that locks in, or you can unlock it as well, but it locks in, and you just pour the water in here before you turn it on. Once you fill it up with water, turn it back around, put it on a flat surface, plug it into the wall, turn it on, and dial it. Now, I will say this facial steamer gets extremely hot, guys, so be very careful to continue to move your face. You can do a warm towel, a facial steamer setting, or a humidifier setting. I like the facial steamer. I do this about 2 or 3 times a week. I have seen a difference in my skin. This really just opens up your pores before you put on your products, and I think it just seeks the products into your face, which makes a huge difference for any skincare routine. It also comes with these older microabrasion tools, and these type of tools, you might see them like at your dermatologist's office, and your dermatologist is using them on your face. That being said, just be very, very careful when you use these tools, guys, because once your pores are open from steaming, your skin can be very, very sensitive because your pores are so open. Your face will also be very, very dewy, and you don't want to just move like the bad acne into the clean, open pores. The next tool that I want to show you guys is this jade roller. I did my research. I looked at reviews on Amazon, and this was really greatly reviewed, in my opinion, and I've watched videos of people using it. It comes in different colors. It comes in this color, and I think it becomes in green as well, but I just chose this color because the green just looked off-putting. Also, I think this color was on sale on Amazon Prime Day. Anywho, it comes with a face jade roller and a body sculptor. So the body sculptor I just use for my neck, but the roller I use for my face, the big side for my cheeks and forehead, the smaller side for my under eyes after I apply my Origins eye cream. And I've just been storing it in this box because this box, surprisingly, under my sink just keeps the roller really cold. I know some people have been buying like the mini fridges off of Amazon to keep it cold, and I probably will be purchasing that soon. But for right now, this box is perfect to store it, and I love this little travel kit that it comes with, the little silk thing, so you could throw it in your makeup bag and your makeup won't contaminate the jade roller. So now I'm going to show you all the products that I bought off of Amazon. The first product I'm going to show you is the toner that I'm using from Mario Badescu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but the first one is like the rose water, and then the second one is the aloe and green tea cucumber spray. These sprays are amazing. They're very lightweight. They have light scents, which is good for any face routine, and they leave a little bit of oily residue and moisturization. Next, I'm going to show you this Garnier Skin Active Makeup Remover. It's a makeup remover and a cleanser in one. I use that before washing my face in the morning and at nighttime. Next is this night cream. This night cream is amazing. It keeps my face moisturized from night till morning, and it's very oily. It does not have a matte finish, so all you have to apply is like literally a penny size in the palm of your hand. Next is the Superfood Skin Mask. I'm obsessed with this because it was not tested on animals, and it is 100% made out of vegan ingredients, including kale, spinach, all the superfood grains that you need. And this is really great after you open your pores. I probably do this about once every 2 weeks or twice a week, depending on how my skin is reacting to certain things that I eat. You know, if you eat oily foods and stuff like that, you need to feed your face good foods. Next, I have this vitamin C serum. I'm obsessed with it because it also has retinol in it and niacinamide. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but both of these serums really just help remove dark spots. And I needed that because I have a habit, well, I had an old habit of picking my face. And this is really good for sun protecting as well. The next serum I'm going to show you is Paula's Choice Exfoliate. And I'm obsessed with this because it is removing my dark spots. It also cools down my face. I don't know if I'm the only one that's having that, but it's also made for all skin types. And I have combination skin, oily and dry. So this is perfect for you, and you can use this before you put on your sunscreen during your day skincare routine. The next item I'm going to show you guys is this CeraVe Retinol Serum. This is great for dark spots as well. I literally put less than a penny size, like a drop, on my index finger and put it over my dark spots, and it has made such a difference for my face. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It is fragrance free, and it's for combination skin because it's for normal to dry skin, and my skin is more dry than oily, but I like to use this because it has no fragrance and it's good for sensitive skin. And those are all my products. Alright, the next thing I bought from Amazon is this white clean bedsheet comforter and also a queen bedsheet set that came with 4 different pillowcases. And I'm obsessed with it. They're very soft, they keep me warm, and I feel like I'm waking up in a hotel every single day. And they're also very easy to keep clean. Alright guys, the next thing I purchased from Amazon are these black gloves. I'm obsessed with them because they don't have a powder residue on the outside or on the inside, and they're not blue, so you don't feel like you're in a doctor's office, and they feel good on my hands. Next, I bought these individualized wrapped masks that are black instead of blue. They have a filter, and the straps feel good on my ears, and it has a filter which serves the same purpose, and it works very well. Next, I want to show you a sage stick. They actually come in a pack of 3 on Amazon, but this is my last one. That's how much I use them. I use them to meditate along with this singing bowl, and this is what my singing bowl sounds like. It is very peaceful. I love it. I'm obsessed with this, and I also meditate with these little candles. They have astrology signs on them. They come in different colors. I just have blue at the moment, but they smell very, very good, and they're very easy to light. And also you can pour wax into another candle once it runs out. I light these candles with my electric lighter from Amazon. You'll know it's on when the lights turn blue. It also has a light so you can see at night, and the top of the head of the lighter is also flexible, so if you have a deep, like, hollow candle, you can light it with that as well. And I'll show you how easy it is to light candles. It's also USB chargeable. All you have to do is plug it into the wall, and it will start charging. And I was just really obsessed with this because I was tired of lighters running out of fluid or lighter fluid, and I couldn't light my candles anymore. Next, for home, I love these storage bins that I have my shoes in. They're very easy to put together. You can fit in sneakers, Crocs, flats, heels, any type of shoe. I actually don't have boots in them, but I feel like you could do that too as long as you lay your heels and your boots to the side. But my Crocs fit in it, and my high top Vans fit in it, and they're very spacious. You can actually stack shoes on top of each other if you want it. They're easy to put together, they're lightweight, they're stackable, and you can even put stuff on top if you want. If you guys want a closet tour, I am more than willing to provide that, but you just have to leave it below in the comments. But these boxes were a lifesaver from Amazon because my shoes look a hot mess at the bottom of my closet, it, and now everything is more organized. Speaking of shoes, I bought these sandals from Amazon. They're super cute. They do not have a strap holding in your heel. They are kind of on the flimsy side, but I think they're cute with a maxi dress for weddings, proms, or if you're just going to like brunch with the girls. Also, it has velvet material around the thong of the shoe, so it's not going to hurt your toes, which I like as well, and I like the braiding detail. Next is the speaker. I'm obsessed with the speaker because I am a recording artist. I use it to record myself. That's right, this speaker records. You can actually do karaoke on it. It comes with a microphone, a speaker. It has a recording method. You can also have an SD card and put it into the speaker to save your recording. The instructions are very easy to follow. It's easy to turn on and off. It's also USB chargeable. It has an aux cord, a USB cord, and like I mentioned with the SD card, you can just put it in and take it out and save your recordings. You also have a remote that comes with this speaker, so there's a recording button on the remote itself, and also there's different radio stations that you can choose from and different modes. Like there's an echo mode that you could change your voice, so if you like karaoke or you like recording yourself with music, this is a great speaker for you. It's also shock proof, and because it has the aux cord, it's also probably great if you're like a DJ or if you're an event planner or something like that and you want to connect something like your laptop to it. This would be a great way for you. Or if you're a performer, like a small performer, this is a great speaker for you. And I love the remote. It's very easy to use. It's very organized, and it's also very lightweight, so you can literally carry the speaker with you anywhere. It doesn't come with a case, but because it's so compatible, you shouldn't have to worry. And because it's shock proof, you shouldn't have to worry either. Once it connects to your phone, it'll let you know, like it'll say Bluetooth, and it literally just uses the data and the Wi-Fi off of your phone. And the knob is easy to turn as well when you want to turn the volume up or down.
Alright, sadly guys, this video has come to an end. Thank you guys for watching this far. If you didn't watch this far and you just skip straight to the end, there will be cards also, but after this little segment showing you other videos on my channel as well that promotes hauls or unboxing videos and honest reviews on different types of products. If you watched the video full, thank you so much. If you're a new Jaybird, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're already a Jaybird, thank you for subscribing and watching my channel. You're showing love and I love you. Also, don't forget to follow your girl on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and all the socials listed below in the description. And also, furthermore, don't forget to leave your favorite thing from Amazon, your favorite thing in this video, and please leave a comment if you want me to create an Amazon store, because most likely I will be doing another Amazon content type of video, and that might make it easier for you guys versus clicking on different links in the description. But I love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this type of content, and more content will be coming soon.